Welcome back, YouTube. We're in the store late. It's late in the store. I need a snack because I'm hungry.
I think it's like 10 in the morning. 11. I don't know.
Come on, turn around. Okay, he's waiting for us to get out of the aisle. Hey, that way. That way. Okay, go to the fruit. Okay, you go that way. I'll meet you. How much are the strawberries?
I'll make red open.
It doesn't say where the strawberries are at.
Can I ask?
Oh, strawberries.
Grandma likes planting plants. Mom, can you look at this? Can I look at this? What toy?
No, that's not a toy, Hazel. You gotta put it back. Come on, we can't.
Whoa! My whistle.
Okay, I need you to see how much it says. No, that has to stay.
Well, let me ask everything.
No, there's a sticker right there.
Just all. Where one? This is. Hope this is. I hope they're not. Not that. Not that.